here gives you two choices. You stay down or you get up.
It's time to get back to work.
Who cares? You tired or not? Nobody cares.
When it feels scary to jump, that is exactly when you jump.
Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab.
I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
You have to achieve failure. That's where winning is.
Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits.
There are no traffic jams in the last mile of the race. It's just you and your shadow.
It's not over until I win.